Every professional editing system has scopes for color, meters for sound, waveforms, vector scopes, histograms. But there's nothing that shows structure, nothing that shows time. So we edit reactively. We guess pacing. We rebuild timelines when the music changes. That's not a creative problem, it's a missing instrument. So I built one. Okay, here's what it actually does. This generates a frame-accurate timing structure. You choose a mode, you choose tempo, you choose time signature, you choose frame rate. That's it. It's not analyzing footage, it's not listening to music. It's generating a temporal grid locked to your timeline. I import the first cue, Resolve matches the frame rate automatically. Now I have a visible timing spine. Every marker lands on a frame boundary. No drift, no rounding, no approximation. No music, no waveform, just structure. Beat, subdivision, bar. I'm not guessing, I'm not scrubbing, I'm placing story beats against a visible rhythm. Drag, drop, adjust length. It's like Lego for time. Blocks, pacing, structure. Because timing is externalized, I don't have to micromanage duration in my head. I'm not rewatching the same cut 10 times. I can focus on narrative, on progression, on flow. The scope holds the rhythm, I shape the story. This is what we've been missing. We have color scopes, we have audio meters, now we have a scope for time. This edit was completed quickly because I had very few distractions. Now let's see what happens when we try the music.
Surf on the road, skirt, see me go. Surf on the road, skirt, see me go. Surf on the road, skirt, see me go. What, look. Late night, hit the road, gripping upon the honeycomb. Back street, flip the phone, step on the gas and rip the dome. Late night, hit the link.
You see what just happened? The structure didn't change, only the emotion did. Because the timing was designed first. The edit survives the music. No rebuilding, no slipping cuts, no chasing transients, no weekend lost because the client changed their mind. This is what happens when time is visible. You stop editing reactively, you start designing pace intentionally. ClearCue doesn't edit for you, it doesn't decide anything. It gives you a timing instrument, so your decisions hold. Free cue on the site, test it once, you'll know it in 5 minutes.